Hey friends, so many of you know that I've been using SmallRig products for years now, and I've always been really impressed by their functionality and their exceptional quality. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite SmallRig products that are on sale for this year's Black Friday. A quick disclaimer, SmallRig did send me these products and I'll link them in the description below. Okay, starting with the first one here. This is the SmallRig Lightweight Carbon Fiber Video Tripod. This product comes in clutch for me as a wedding filmmaker. Having a tripod that is extremely light and versatile while filming ceremonies is essential. It has a payload of 15 kilograms with the legs and 6 kilograms with the head. That easily supports the weight of my rig. The cage I have on my camera is a new product from SmallRig as well, so make sure you watch that video linked to this video. Now the whole weight of this tripod is 2.8 kilograms, extends over 5 feet, center pull-up designed for swift maneuvering, pan and tilt knobs, Manfrotto quick release plate, adjustable center column for leveling, standard leg locks, and built-in metal spikes for extra stability when using the tripod on different terrain. It comes with a nice carrying case for portability. There you have it, that is the SmallRig Lightweight Carbon Fiber Video Tripod. Moving on now, this is the SmallRig RC60B COB LED Video Light. A super affordable light that's packed with a lot of great features. When necessary, I set up lights during wedding receptions, and having one this small is super handy. Weighing in at 650 grams, it has decent battery life of 45 minutes on full power and 75 minutes on eco mode. Fits in the palm of your hand, adjustment knobs to change the color temperature ranging 2700 6500, and intensity of the light, 9 light effects, dedicated screen for your settings, silent cooling. You can charge your battery via USB-C with a power bank or a V-mount battery for continuous use, and outputs 54,300 lux with the standard reflector. There you have it, that is the SmallRig RC60B COB LED Video Light. Now on to the next product. This is the SmallRig NPF 970 USB-C rechargeable battery. It comes in 3 colors, black, orange, and green. Not only does it work as a battery replacement for my Atomos Shinobi 2, but it also has USB-C in for fast charging and USB-C out for charging other electronics such as my camera. Not only that, but it also comes with USB-A output as well. If you want to check how much juice you have left, with one click it shows you the battery level. Its capacity is 10,500 milliamps, which means I don't have to swap out batteries as often while I'm filming like I do with the smaller NPF batteries. There you have it, that is the SmallRig NPF 970 USB-C rechargeable battery. Next up, this is the SmallRig all-in-one mobile video kit co-designed with Brandon Lee. Filming on your mobile phone has become way more popular these days, and this kit is the perfect addition to help you film with your device. The cage is universal, so it'll fit with whatever phone you have. The one side handle includes wireless camera control for focusing, zoom control, and recording, and has a spot to put an M2 SSD. You can easily attach an SSD to record to. There are multiple mounts. Everything is quick release. And it has this awesome universal 67mm magnetic filter plate that comes with a 1 to 5 stop VND filter. Lastly, you can easily swing the rig to get the exact angle you're after. There you have it, that is the SmallRig all-in-one mobile video kit. And lastly, this is a SmallRig collaboration with Film Riot 7-in-1 folding wrench. This tool is a lifesaver and I always keep it on me when I'm filming. It has all the possible heads you need from 2.5mm, 3mm, 4mm, and 3/16 Allen wrenches, a flathead wrench, 1 Phillips wrench, and 1 Torx T25 wrench. It is very well built and will help you adjust any piece of gear that you have. There you have it, that is the SmallRig collaboration with Film Riot 7-in-1 folding wrench. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this breakdown of my favorite SmallRig products on this Black Friday sale. Like I mentioned earlier, they will be linked in the description below, and make sure you get that 20% off deal this Black Friday. There are so many incredible SmallRig products that I use. I'll link those as well in the description apart from these. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.